Hey guys, my name is Odin, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a new Minecraft server for 1.11.1, which is the newest version of Minecraft that's out, and I think it was released either today or sometime this week, and today is the 20th December 2016. So what you're going to want to do is go to minecraft.net, log in, ignore my login, go to get game, and then once you get brought to this screen, you're going to say set up your own Minecraft server, download what it's given you, but I've already downloaded it, so I'm not going to download it again. Now, after you do that, put it into a folder on your desktop and run it. What this is going to do, this is going to make the files that it needs to run. Alright? And you have to accept the EULA, which is just saying that you're going to follow the agreement that you're not going to do stuff you're not supposed to with it. After that, click it again. Wait for it to start up. It's going to generate the region for your spawn for your world. Then once this is done, it's going to keep making the files that the server needs. So what this is the whitelist if you're going to whitelist your server, which I can get to in another video if you want. This is all your properties of your server. By default, your server IP you can leave blank, and it'll be your IP and the regular server port. So to actually get your IP, you can go to what's my IP, if I can spell it right, and it'll tell you once you click on one of these, your public IP address, which will automatically be in here. Now you give that to other people and they can join. You can set your message of the day for when people join. Change your max build height. So 256 is default, but if you set it to like 300, 350, people can build higher. You can also change your game mode to survival, creative, whatever, but 0 is the default survival mode. Difficulty 1, you can go up different numbers, I don't know how many numbers, and that allows you to be able to be in easy, hard, medium mode. You can set a custom resource pack here by putting the download link, not the link to the site, but the actual link of the download. So if you went to this, for instance, you can copy the download link and then put it here, if that was a resource pack, and it'll use that. You can also change the max world size, max players, hardcore mode, false, or true. So in hardcore mode, I think if you die, you drop everything. If you leave it off, it'll just be default. You can keep everything or lose everything. Alright. Online mode has to be true, so other people can join that have a non-cracked version. If you turn it off, you can allow cracked players to play. So once this is stopped generating an area, I'm going to click stop. It generated a world. Also generate logs. So if you have a crash, you go in here. Ban players, banned IPs. So if you want to IP ban someone, you put their IP in here. Ban players, just put their name in here. Not their IP won't be banned. Ops. So you can open these all with Notepad and put in whatever ops you want. Now I already have a different server that I already have working. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the start from there and paste it in here. So what this does, this tells the server which jar in the folder that it's going to be using. So this means that it'll start with a minimum of 512 megabytes, and it'll go to a max of 3072 megabytes, and that's because I have more RAM that I can run a server on. This also gets the version of Java, so it'll be always the up-to-date one, and this tells you what file it will run. Now this says craftbukkit because my other server is a craftbukkit, but since this is just going to be a regular Minecraft server, because the newest version of Minecraft bucket isn't out, we're just going to name it to minecraft.jar, and in here, switch it to minecraft.jar, because they have the same name so it reads it. Now, to make this an actual file, you save as start.bat and put it into all files, or else it'll only save as a text file. I'm not going to save it because I already have one. And then you click start, and it will start your server. Now this is much better than going in and trying to edit anything, because now you can go like this. And if you didn't have this, and instead you had CraftBukkit, it wouldn't come up with this window. So you would have this window, the CMD, which is the command prompt, rather than this. So now if I type stop here, it'll stop it here as well. And it'll tell you any errors. Like, I had an error where I couldn't make this number any bigger than 1024, which is default. But I went into my Java options, and I can show you guys that too if you want. I went into my Java options and set it so Java can use more of my RAM, so that I can set this number higher and have more people on and a better memory. Now, if it has any errors, it will say and it won't start. So any of this, it will say Java error, Java runtime error, and it'll take some work to find out what it is, but usually you can find it out. So thanks for watching. I hope you guys got some help out of this, and if you need anything else, let me know, and I'll show you how to make other servers if you want. Thanks.